Did you know that one of the most purchased car accessories is not a dash cam, a phone mount, or some flashy tech gadget? It is floor mats. And it makes sense. A stained carpet, dusty dashboard, tangled charging cables, and a messy cabin can make even a nice sedan feel old fast. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are counting down 6 of the best car gadgets for sedans that can make your daily drive cleaner, more organized, more comfortable, and better prepared for emergencies. We have a premium custom-fit floor mat, a backseat charging station, a mobile desk, a solar air freshener, a quick interior cleaning tool, and one emergency gadget every driver should seriously consider keeping within reach. All the links are in the description, so let's get started. On number 6, TuxMat Custom Car Mats. Starting with the foundation of a clean interior, we have TuxMat Custom Car Mats. For this example, we are looking at the version designed for the Toyota Corolla, but TuxMat makes vehicle-specific sets for many sedans. These are not basic universal rubber mats. They are designed around the exact floor shape of your vehicle, which means better coverage, fewer gaps, and less chance of dirt, salt, mud, or spilled drinks reaching the factory carpet. What makes TuxMat stand out is the balance between protection and appearance. Traditional heavy-duty floor liners can be practical, but some have a hard, industrial look that does not always match a sedan interior. TuxMat uses a leatherette-style surface that looks more refined while still being waterproof and easy to wipe clean. The mats also rise high along the sides of the footwell, covering areas where mess usually slips past cheaper mats. Compared with basic rubber mats, the fit is tighter, the coverage is better, and the cabin looks more premium. They cost more than universal options, but if you care about keeping your sedan clean and protecting resale value, they are one of the best upgrades you can make. On number 5, PLDHPRO Retractable Backseat Charging Station. At number 5, we have the PLDHPRO Retractable Backseat Charging Station. If you have kids, passengers, clients, or you drive for a rideshare service, this is one of those gadgets that can make the back seat feel far more organized. Instead of leaving loose cables hanging around the center console, this unit mounts behind the front headrest and brings charging directly to rear passengers. The big advantage is the retractable cable design. Depending on the version, you get built-in connections for Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB devices, so passengers do not need to bring their own cables. When they are done charging, the cables retract back into the unit instead of becoming a tangled mess on the floor. Compared with a basic multi-port car charger, this is much more convenient for passengers and much cleaner inside a sedan. The trade-off is installation. You need to route the main power cable neatly from the front charging port to the back seat, and the retractable mechanism is another moving part that may not last as long as a simple cable. Still, for rideshare drivers, parents, or anyone who regularly carries passengers, it is a smart upgrade that adds real convenience. On number 4, JUSTTOP Steering Wheel Desk. Coming in at number 4 is the JUSTTOP Steering Wheel Desk. This is one of the simplest gadgets on the list, but it can be incredibly useful if you eat lunch, answer emails, work on a laptop, or handle paperwork while safely parked. The desk hooks onto the steering wheel and gives you a flat surface in seconds. One side is designed for food, with a cup holder and a recessed area to help keep things stable. Flip it over and you get a flat work surface with a slot for a pen, tablet, or small laptop. It is lightweight, easy to store, and takes almost no effort to install. Compared with permanent car workstations, the JUSTTOP is far more affordable and portable. It does not offer advanced adjustments or heavy-duty mounting, but it also does not take up space when you are not using it. Just remember, this is only for use when the car is parked and the steering wheel is positioned safely. For commuters, salespeople, remote workers, and anyone who spends breaks in their sedan, it is a simple tool that can make the car feel like a small mobile office. On number 3, Solar Rotating Car Air Freshener. At number 3, we have a gadget that is more about atmosphere than raw utility, the Solar Rotating Car Air Freshener. If you are tired of hanging cardboard fresheners or bulky vent clips, this is a much more stylish alternative. The main feature is the solar-powered rotating design. Small solar panels use daylight to power the spinning display, creating a subtle moving effect on the dashboard. Depending on the model, the rotating element also helps spread fragrance more evenly through the cabin. Most versions use refillable scent pads or essential oil-style inserts, which means you can change the fragrance instead of replacing the entire unit. Compared with a traditional air freshener, the scent is usually lighter and less overpowering. That can be a positive if you hate strong chemical smells, but it may not be enough if your car has serious odors from smoke, pets, or food. This is best for sedan owners who want a clean, subtle scent and a bit of dashboard personality without using batteries or messy liquids. On number 2, Interior Car Cleaner Duster Brush. At number 2, we have the Interior Car Cleaner Duster Brush. It may not look exciting, but this is one of the most useful, low-cost accessories you can keep in your glove box. A good interior duster uses soft, microfiber or chenille fibers to pick up loose dust from the dashboard, vents, door panels, cup holders, buttons, and trim. It is especially useful for sedan interiors with glossy black trim, which can look dirty almost immediately after cleaning. The compact shape makes it easy to reach around air vents and tight areas where a regular cloth cannot reach well. Compared with a large exterior car duster, this is designed for small interior surfaces and quick maintenance. It will not replace a deep cleaning kit, and it is not meant for sticky spills or greasy messes. For infotainment screens, use a clean, microfiber cloth made specifically for screens instead of brushing aggressively. But for quick dust removal between washes, this little tool can keep your sedan looking much cleaner with almost no effort. On number 1, Car Glass Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter. And at number 1, we have the gadget that is not about luxury, style, or convenience. It is about emergency preparedness, a car glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. This compact tool combines two important functions. First, it has a protected blade designed to cut through a jammed seatbelt. Second, it has a spring-loaded window breaker designed to shatter tempered side glass with a firm push. In an emergency, such as a rollover, a jammed door, or a vehicle entering water, having a tool like this within reach can matter far more than having it buried in the trunk. Compared with old-style hammer tools, spring-loaded models are smaller, easier to store, and do not require a big swinging motion in a tight space. But there is one important thing to understand. These tools are generally designed for tempered side windows. They are not intended for windshields, and some newer vehicles may use laminated side glass that is harder to break. The key is placement. Keep it where you can reach it immediately, such as on a keychain, visor mount, door pocket, or center console. Not in the glove box if that glove box could become inaccessible. You hope you never need it, but for the price, it is one of the smartest safety accessories you can keep in any sedan. Final verdict. If you want to protect your interior and keep your sedan looking premium, TuxMat custom fit mats are the best long-term upgrade. If you drive with passengers, kids, or rideshare customers, the retractable backseat charging station can make your cabin feel far more organized. If you work or eat from your car while parked, the JUSTTOP steering wheel desk is a simple and affordable win. But the most important gadget on this list is the glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. It is small, inexpensive, and could be critical in the right emergency. Which one of these gadgets would you add to your sedan first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more car accessory reviews, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.